this is a very simple way of painting leaves. This is a willow plant from the garden, and the leaves are such a beautiful, beautiful shape. But if I just place them on the paper, they look very flat. So in order to get more shape to them, I'm just going to sit them in this so that they fall in front of me rather than me looking at them flat. So that's rather nice. Very simple. So, country olive. So this is the sort of little leaves that I've done on this little painting. Country olive, round brush. It's my classic round. And all I'm going to do is look at the shape of the leaves on the paper. And I'm going to start with this one at the back. And I'm just going to place the brush onto the paper. Just place the brush, press the brush, and lift it. And you get a lovely leaf shape. This one, if I just turn it, you'll see is much longer. It's facing me, so I need to continue with the stroke. So it's going to be a little bit further away. It's going to be here. And I'm going to place the brush on the paper and then start to press the brush. I've got to pull it along and then I start to lift it. That will give me a longer leaf. Now, with my pointer brush, I'm just going to add a little stem at this point, just a little stem like this. We'll have the leaves sort of coming sort of in this shape. Now, what I'd like to show you now is that colour is lovely and the shape is lovely, but look what happens if I now add another colour to the brush. So into the country olive, and then the tip of the brush, just the tip, into some ultramarine, just the tip. And then I'm going to do the next leaf. Barely touch the paper, press the brush and lift. Start again, into the paint, the country olive, into the ultramarine, just the tip of my brush, barely touch the paper, press and lift. And you'll see that the paint is mixing on the paper and creating almost a vein of a leaf. It's lovely. It just adds another dimension to it. Barely touch the paper, press and lift. We'll just do another one here. Now I haven't dipped it in the blue, and you'll see it's much flatter. You need to do it every time, so get some clean paint, ultramarine on the tip of the brush, just the tip. We'll do a couple of these narrow little strokes at the end here. Now, when the leaves become narrower, you just don't press quite as hard. So press, but not as hard. And then you get the narrow leaves at the end. A really, really simple way of understanding how to use a brush, controlling the brush, so you get this lovely, lovely leaf spray. 2 colours, but look how much better they look when you've got 2 colours in the brush. It's called double loading. You're loading the brush with 2 colours. It's a lovely little technique, very simple. Have a go. You can do it.